Do you realize that wealth, freedom, and abundance are the result and the consequence of your beliefs? And it's not just what you believe and think consciously, it's what you embody. So, what if you could start to embody wealth, freedom, abundance, prosperity within just a few minutes? Well, today I'm actually going to do an EFT tapping for you that is going to help you to start to embody the wealth, the freedom, the abundance that you desire and deserve. So what I want you to do is just start by tapping on the inside of the eye and repeat after me. I choose to embody wealth. I choose to embody abundance. I choose to embody freedom. I choose to embody prosperity. I choose to embody wealth. I choose to embody freedom. I choose to embody abundance. I choose to embody prosperity. I see wealth and abundance everywhere. And I embody that wealth and abundance. I love and appreciate all the abundance in my life. And as I embody that wealth and abundance, I experience more wealth and abundance. I embody wealth and abundance. I know wealth and abundance is who I am. I was born an abundant being. I live in an abundant universe. I see wealth, abundance, and prosperity everywhere. And I choose to embody that wealth, abundance, and prosperity. I choose to embody freedom. I embody wealth, abundance, prosperity, and freedom. I embody wealth. I embody abundance. I embody prosperity. I embody freedom. I act from a place of abundance and wealth. I act from a place of prosperity and freedom. I embody wealth. I embody prosperity. I embody abundance. And I embody freedom. Okay, deep breath. Let it out. Deep breath. And let it out. You will experience whatever it is that you embody. Your identity beliefs, who you believe you are, how you know that you relate to the world at the deepest level, at the core of your being, that is what you will experience, because you are infinitely powerful and you are creating your life moment by moment by moment. You are choosing your timeline, you are choosing your experience, and that all comes, those choices come from your beliefs back here and what you choose to embody, who you choose to be, and how you choose to show up in the world. So if you want to change your experience in life and choose a new, more abundant, more wealthy timeline, then you need to shift this first. Then you need to act on the inspiration, on the thoughts that come up, on the guidance that is being provided for you to then shift your experience within this reality. If you have enjoyed this, then do me a favor, like and subscribe, comment below, because what that does is it actually triggers the algorithm and then it shares it out to more people, and more people get to benefit this incredible technique. So just by doing that actually helps to change other people's lives. And if you would like more help, if you're a conscious entrepreneur who wants more help to create your life by design, to have a unique strategic action plan that makes a bigger difference in the world and creates wealth at the same time, then register now for my free workshop. It is the Wealth by Design workshop. You're going to absolutely love it. I'm going to take you step by step through the framework and the actions that you need to take, and creating your strategic action plan that helps you to live your life by your design. So the link is in the description below. I hope to see you on the workshop, and you can actually use this tapping video next to continue to help to rewire your brain for money, wealth, abundance, and success. You can check that out now.